Hello, dear friends, car enthusiasts, and technology lovers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're not just taking you on a car review, we're taking you on a journey through time. This orange beauty standing before you isn't just a pile of metal, glass, and plastic. This is Toyota's vision of the future. This is the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a vehicle that rewrites the rules and gives a completely new meaning to the name Corolla. Settle in, grab your tea or coffee, because today we're going to dive into every single bolt of this revolutionary model and try to understand its soul. Is this car truly worthy of the hype? What are its chances against its rivals? And most importantly, does it deserve a spot in your garage? We'll find the answers to all these questions together. And I promise, at the end of the video, we'll provide a detailed answer to that famous question everyone is wondering about. What's the price? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments because today, it's not just me analyzing this car, it's all of us together. Let's begin. First, look, a manifesto of courage. Written in design. Let's admit it, sometimes we get tired of the gray, white, and black cars we see on the roads every day. And at that very moment, Toyota steps onto the stage and declares, "The era of boring design is over." The 2026 Corolla Cross looks like a concept car that has escaped from a sci-fi movie and landed in our reality. That sharp, hammerhead design language at the front. It's not just a grille. It's a character, a confident gaze moving forward on the road. The slim LED headlights add an intellectual depth to this aggressive face. From the profile, its muscular fenders, black protective elements, and increased ground clearance send a clear message: I'm ready for any road. The rear is the magnificent finale of this design symphony. The modern taillights and overall aerodynamic structure show that it's not just powerful, but also elegant. When you open the door and step inside, you witness how this bold design transforms into elegance in the interior. This isn't just a car cabin. It's a personal space that distances you from daily stress. The combination of white and deep red leather creates a premium feel, and the quality materials are tangible at every point you touch. Toyota didn't cut corners here. The seats are a masterpiece of ergonomics. They hug your body as if they were custom-made for you. The moment you sit in the driver's seat, everything changes. You are no longer just a driver, you are a pilot. The commanding high seating position, the perfectly placed controls at your fingertips, and the digital world that unfolds before you. The car becomes one with you and whispers only one thing: let the adventure begin. The heart. Under the hood, the union of brains and brawn. So what is the force that moves this work of art? Here, Toyota plays its strongest card: its fifth-generation hybrid technology, proven over years of testing. The perfect harmony of a 2.0-liter dynamic gasoline engine and a silent, efficient electric motor produces an impressive total of 197 horsepower. What does this number mean on paper? It means you can be the first to move at the traffic light. You can perform overtaking maneuvers on the highway in the blink of an eye and with complete confidence. Power is transmitted to the wheels through a seamless eCVT transmission. And most importantly, both an economical front-wheel drive and an intelligent all-wheel drive (AWD) system are available, which is vital for countries like ours with variable climates. Nothing can replace the feeling of assurance that this AWD system will give you on a snowy morning or a rainy autumn day. And now for the miracle of the hybrid, fuel consumption. Get ready, because these numbers are incredible. Only 4.5 to 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers, approximately 43 to 52 miles per gallon. Yes, you heard that right. This means you and gas stations are going to have a long breakup. This means hundreds of minutes saved in your budget every month. Performance hasn't been forgotten either. With a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, acceleration of around 8 seconds, this crossover is also surprisingly agile. 3. Life behind the wheel. Comfort. That grips the road. Numbers and technical details aside, the main thing is how the car feels on the road. And the Corolla Cross will amaze you here as well. Driving it is as easy as pie, yet it's incredibly responsive at the same time. Thanks to the new TNGAC platform, the car feels like it's glued to the road. Even in sharp turns, you feel like you're behind the wheel of a sports car, with minimal body roll. The suspension system builds a perfect bridge between the sometimes unforgiving city roads and scenic country routes. There's neither a tiring stiffness nor an excessive softness that spoils the handling. The sound insulation is so successful that you can easily whisper to the passenger next to you, even at high speeds. The city noise stays outside, and you travel in your own personal oasis of calm. The brakes are like a safety shield. Thanks to the hybrid system's regenerative braking technology, you charge your battery every time you brake while slowing down with confidence. It's both a safe and an intelligent system. Whether it's the dense city traffic, the open highway, or light gravel country roads. The Corolla Cross adapts skillfully to every condition and gives you confidence at every moment. The Tech Hub, the future at your fingertips. In the 21st century, a car is also an extension of our digital world. The Corolla Cross offers a true technological feast in this area. The giant 12.3-inch touchscreen sparkling on the center console is your entertainment and information hub. Its graphics are so clear, and its response to touch is so fast that it's indistinguishable from the latest tablet. And of course, an end to cable clutter. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, all your apps are on the screen while your phone stays in your bag or pocket. The 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster in front of the driver is your personal command center. Minimalist, informative, or sporty. Customize it however you want. View the navigation map in full screen, watch the hybrid system work in real time, or simply see your speed. The choice is yours. Depending on the trim level, gaze at the sky through the panoramic sunroof, bring a concert hall into your car with the JBL premium audio system, park with ease in the tightest spots with the 360-degree camera, and sit in the warm embrace of heated seats and a heated steering wheel on cold winter days. 5. Safety, your invisible guardian angel. The most important feature of a car is its ability to protect you and your loved ones. Toyota makes no compromises on this issue. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 isn't just a name. It's an intelligent shield of dozens of sensors and cameras that watch over you on the road. This system detects a pedestrian or cyclist who unexpectedly appears in front of you and applies the brakes for you. It keeps you in your lane when you're distracted on a long drive. It saves you from the monotony of traffic jams by automatically adjusting the distance to the car in front. It reads road signs for you and provides warnings. It's like having a co-pilot sitting next to you who never gets tired. The numerous airbags and the rigid body designed to absorb impact energy ensure your passive safety. Inside this car, you will feel as secure as in a fortress. 6. The hero of daily life, the practicality test. Beautiful design and technology aside, a car should also make our daily lives easier. So how does the Corolla Cross fare in this test? Open the trunk and be surprised by how spacious it is. Everything from a baby stroller to a large grocery haul to suitcases for a weekend trip will fit here with ease. The rear seats offer a comfortable space for your passengers. Headroom and legroom are more than adequate, and the presence of separate air vents for rear passengers shows how much you value them. The water bottle holders in the door pockets, the space for your phone and wallet in the center console, the hidden compartment under the armrest. Every detail has been thought out for daily convenience. And of course, standard ISOFIX anchors are available for the smallest members of the family. 7. The bill, price, and savings for your pocket. And now, the moment everyone has been waiting for with bated breath. What is the price of this marvel of technology and design? Let me state up front that official prices will be confirmed closer to the sale date, but our forecasts are as follows. The hybrid version of the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is expected to start at around $29,000 in the US market, reaching close to $40,000 for the top-tier trim. If we adapt these figures to our market, Azerbaijan, including taxes and duties, we can predict that the starting price will be around 55,000 to 60,000 Azerbaijani manat, with the top version reaching about 75,000 to 80,000 Azerbaijani manat. Yes, it might seem high at first glance. But let's think of it not as an expense, but as an investment. You are not just buying a car, you are investing in safety, technology, and most importantly, savings. Think about how much the amount you spend on fuel will decrease each month, and how minimal the service cost will be thanks to Toyota's reliability. In the long run, this car will pay for itself. 8. Rivals in the ring. Who comes out on top? The Corolla Cross is not alone in this ring. The Hyundai Kona dazzles with its bold design, the Kia Niro tempts with its variety of engine options, and the Honda HR-V is known for its practicality. But the Corolla Cross has secret weapons: rock-solid Toyota reliability, incredible fuel economy, and a rich safety package that comes as standard, which rivals offer as options. These are the most powerful arguments for a decision made with both the head and the heart. 9. Who is this car for? For young families who prioritize their children's safety above all else. For young people who love the latest innovations and live and breathe technology. For rational people who value every penny and have chosen efficiency and savings as a way of life. For everyone seeking reliability who says, "I want to buy it once and drive it for years without problems." 10th final word. Is it worth buying? After all this analysis, what is the final conclusion? Is this car worth buying? My firm and subjective answer is an unhesitating yes. Toyota has not just updated a successful model here. It has brought the future of the compact crossover segment to the present day. This is not just a means of getting from point A to point B. This is a lifestyle that you will enjoy getting behind the wheel of every morning, one that protects you and your family, respects your budget, and at the same time turns all heads on the road. Dear friends, thank you for listening. Now, it's your turn. Do you think the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross can become a leader in its segment? Is this bold design to your taste? At this price, would you choose it, or would you prefer another model? I am eagerly awaiting your most valuable opinions in the comments section. Let's discuss this magnificent car together. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with your car-loving friends. Until the next reviews, safe roads.